Welcome to today's tutorial on color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro, specifically tailored for YouTube content creators. In this tutorial, we'll explore the essential tools and techniques to enhance the visual appeal of your videos and make them stand out on the platform. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors in your video to achieve a specific look or mood. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you have a powerful set of tools to take your footage from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's start by diving into the LUMETRIC color panel. Here, you'll find all the essential tools for color grading. From basic adjustments to creative looks, LUMETRIC color has got you covered. Begin by adjusting the basic parameters like exposure, contrast, and saturation. These sliders allow you to fine-tune the overall look of your footage, ensuring it's well-balanced and visually appealing. Take a moment to compare your footage before and after these basic adjustments. Already, you can see the impact it has on the overall visual quality of your video. Now, let's move on to the color wheels and match section. This is where you can make more precise color adjustments. The three-way color wheels allow you to tweak the shadows, midtones, and highlights individually. Experiment with different color combinations to achieve the desired look for your video. Whether it's warm and inviting or cool and cinematic, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to stylize your footage, Premiere Pro offers a variety of creative look presets. Simply browse through the options and find the one that best suits the mood you want to convey. For a more comprehensive color grading experience, navigate to the Color Grading workspace. Here, you can access advanced features like the Color Wheels tab and the HSL secondary tab for targeted adjustments. Fine-tune specific colors in your video by using the Color Wheels tab. And with the HSL secondary tab, you can isolate and adjust specific hues, saturation, and luminance, giving you even more control over your color grading. Remember, the key to effective color grading is finding the balance that complements your storytelling and enhances the viewer's experience. Experiment, be creative, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!